Part 1, let us do find the direction cosine of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane r is equal to this. Find also the distance of the plane from the origin. So here it is given r dot this minus 6 equal to 0. Now we know the equation of the plane is r dot d equal, r dot n equal to d. That means this is the value of d and r dot n, this is the position vector of any point P, and this is n, that is the normal vector perpendicular to the plane. So if you find the magnitude of this vector, then it will be root over of 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square. You are getting 3. Now normal vector, take this one, if you take, let's say this is a plane and this is the normal perpendicular to this plane. If you take unit vector along this direction, then you have to divide this vector by magnitude. So this by 3 if you do, then it is coming 1 by 3 I minus 2 by 3 j plus 2 by 3 k. This is the unit vector along the perpendicular to the normal. Now if you do from 1 we get r dot this equal to that. So r dot n, it is in the form, it is coming in this way. If you bring in this form, then direction cosine of the perpendicular from the origin is this one, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and this. And distance is d is equal to 2 unit. Why 2 unit? From here the distance 2 unit, because this side we took unit vector r dot n equal to d. If you do, then d means that distance you are getting, distance of the plane from the origin. So origin distance you will get by this formula. That's all.